Importante
Yes, sir.
yung araw na ngayon sa ICI dahil pinatawag at humarap si presidential son, Congressman Sandro
Oo.
Marcos. Nandun ba kayo
Oo.
kanina sa ICI? Dahil hindi
course.
pa naman kayo
Eh,
effectively umaalis.
Oh, I will be here until the midnight of December 15.
Yes, so dumalo kayo kanina dun sa...
Yes, I was there. I was there.
So
I'm
warranted
still
po ba
interested
yung
in
kanyang
the...
executive session? Kasi nag-aalala ngayon mga tao, mukhang lahat ng magiging guest nyo na
Executive
in your
session.
live streaming, puro magre-request na executive session.
Hindi naman,
Warranted
because
naman
we have
po
to
ba yung paghingi ng
identify.
executive session?
No, hindi naman automatic yun. We have to know ano yung content, ano yung sasabihin, ano yung
Oh.
kung justifiable yung request. No? May mga na-reject naman kami, hindi naman lahat yan eh. All of them, as you said, will request, siyempre. No? But
Oo
we
nga.
have not granted all. Meron naman kaming live stream.
So yung kay Sandro Marcos, warranted ba? Kasi tapos na yung kanyang pagharap sa inyo. Sa tingin nyo, yung sinabi sa inyo, warranted an executive session. Kasi lahat ng tao, iniintay yung pagharap niya sa ICI, actually.
Dumaan naman siya, nagbigay siya ng option, I think, opportunities for live questions.
Yes. So, sa tingin nyo, warranted naman yung nakuha nyo sa kanyang information to make it behind closed doors.
Well, he was surprised about some of our questions kasi marami kaming detalyang tinanong. There are many projects in this district, but not in the scale of the insertions that were asserted to by Saldico. No? Nowhere near those numbers. That's why I had to dig deeper. Tinanong ko sa kanya, baka naman may mga ibang agencies na nag-insert sa distrito nyo other than insertions sa DPWH. As he had only the information of DPWH for this afternoon. So, I don't know kung may mga... Kasi maaaring may mga state college doon, may hospital doon, may airport. So, baka may ibang naglagay doon sa distrito na hindi DPWH. Kaya baka malaki nga. But as far as DPWH, the numbers do not show the numbers that Saldico was asserting or saying, no? One-third lang of the numbers, no?